sharing. I mean, that was the first video which I have seen, and I must say that I was mesmerized by your beauty. So beautiful, right? So vibrant and cheery. So right. So Pooja, just introduce yourself. Where are you from?
Okay, first of all, ma'am, thank you for your compliment, and it's my pleasure. I introduce myself in front of you. My name is Pooja Prabhakar. I'm from Delhi. I have completed my graduation. I'm mother of 2 kids. Simultaneously, I create my YouTube channel to practice my communication skill. And if you talk about my hobbies, nowadays my hobbies is only learning English. That's all about me, ma'am.
All right. So what is the secret behind it? That is there any particular reason that you want to learn this language?
Yes, ma'am. Reason behind it because when I was a child, I faced a lot of problem due to this language, and it's my childhood dream. I wanted to speak English since my childhood, but due to environment, I didn't chance to speak. But now I have technology. I just use technology to learn this language, and I also create an English environment at my home because my both children study in private school, and I don't want they face this kind of problem what I face in my childhood. That's why I am learning this language.
Fantastic. I mean, see, your children are your motivation and you are doing so great. I mean, now I can say that you are working very hard to learn this language because the way you are speaking, the way you are putting out your thoughts, I mean, I'm so much glad to hear that you are a very diligent worker and you are seriously working on that. So how many hours do you invest in learning this language?
Actually, ma'am, I have been learning this language for 5 months. I started my journey November 2024.
Oh, great.
Yes.
And how much time do you invest? How much time do you invest? 2 hours, 3 hours, 1 hour on regular basis?
Actually, ma'am, I utilize my time to learn this language. I always at least 4 hours daily on the daily basis.
My God. And what are the strategies? I mean, our beginner community must be very, excited to know that. Exactly what strategies are you following? Reading, writing, listening, what?
Actually, ma'am, I'm very busy in my household chores because being a mother, being a housewife, I have a lot of responsibility, and I know very well 4 pillars are very important in learning journey: reading, writing, speaking, and writing. But I don't have time to follow 4 pillars. I just utilize my time speaking and listening. And whenever I get chance to, I also invest my time reading storybook of Sudha Murthy.
So you are already on the right track. You have already chosen the first 2 efficient tools like listening and speaking, right? So with how many learners do you connect on the regular basis? 2, 3, 4, how many?
No, ma'am, I just one conversation daily. Sometime 2.
That's good. That's good. See.
Yes, ma'am.
That's good. Because you have to learn at your own pace and comfortability. That is very important. Don't over-stress yourself. The moment you start feeling over-stressed, then I think this is not a good sign for the learning process. And the thing that make you happy will definitely come to your mind and memory. It will be retained in your memory very good. So Pooja, I can see that happiness on your face because you're. So I just want to ask one question: that whenever you go to attend your children's PTM, then do you speak in English with teachers? Do you make it a point to speak only in English?
Yes, ma'am. You know what? Nowadays, when my children result declare, and I went to my children school, and I talk in English with my kids teacher, and I feel very happy when I communicate with them. It's my first time because I understand English, I can read English, I can listen. But whenever it's time to speak, I get stuck. I forget everything, whatever I want to speak. But
Okay,
nowadays
so-
I am satisfied. Nowadays I am satisfied because since when I started conversation video on Skype on the daily basis, so I removing my agitation and I feel comfortable while speaking. So nowadays I express my thought in front of other. I'm comfortable while speaking.
That is the point. If you want to be a fluent speaker, start speaking. What happens that people, they think that they have to sit in an enclosed room and they can read as much, they can write as much. But when you want to speak, then speak. They don't speak. We actually skip the speaking part. And Pooja, what is more important that you told me that you are now very happy whenever you find yourself speaking in English in front of the teachers. You are such a great person, and you know how to celebrate small victories, and that is very important, right? Don't wait for every day. What happens now? We wait for the big moments to enjoy. These are the small moments. These are very important, and whenever you are about to achieve your target, then it is very important that you have to celebrate even very little happiness, very small happiness. So that is very important. So,
Yes, ma'am.
Pooja,
Yes.
right. So, can I take your leave, Pooja, because I have a class, and if we can connect another time whenever you want. I will be there for you.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, I just want to know from introduction from your side little bit.
Okay. So, Pooja, I am Ritu Pathak, and I am connecting you from Agra. I am an English mentor, teacher, and public speaker at the same time. And I have been in this teaching profession for the last 35 years. I also run a channel by the name of Ritu Pathak English Classes, which I have recently joined. And I teach students not only from India, but abroad as well. So this is all about me.
Wow, ma'am, really appreciation. Very nice introduction from your side, and I'm very happy this conversation and you giving me your precious time. Thanks for that.
Yeah, anytime. Whenever you want to connect with me, just drop a message before 7 o'clock and I will be there for you. Right? So,
Okay.
bye-bye, Pooja. Take care. Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you for giving your precious time to me as well.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Bye. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye.